car buried in the snow. Hey, here. What you finna do?
Nothing.
Oh, yeah. Why you get out the street then?
Cause I want to. I mean, it's your camera recording yourself.
Why you just go right there then?
Cause I want to. Okay, Marquis, that means I can walk anywhere I want to.
Hold that right.
No. Here, get this yourself. I'm not gonna record nothing.
She dumb, ain't she? Retarded girl. Well, who goes into a driveway for no reason? Just go into a driveway. Oh, then do that. That's all you had to say, see? Making things difficult. Dang. Just making things difficult. Man, so young. Man, that's a car buried. It's not. This the way we go, dummy. Acting retarded, man.